Hello, my name is Amit Parmar, student ID 220497391. I'm going to demonstrate the task 1.2p question number 6, the guessing number program. The program is divided into two sections. In the first section, the user 1 will enter some number between 1 and 10, and the user number 2 in the second part, the user number 2 will guess the number by entering the random number between 1 and 10. So the program will run in the loop until the correct number is entered. At any stage, we have used the try and catch statement for the error handling. In case if the user enters any value which cannot be converted to an integer, then the program will show the error message and it will exit. So we can see here that I have put a breakpoint. Now I'm going to run the program and we will see how the values of the variable change. So run the program, it opens the console and we can see that the program has stopped here on the debugging line. I'm going to step into, there will be a message on the console. Now I'm just going to enter a text. So let me step further, and here on the console I'm going to put a text so that we can test what happens when the user enters a text instead of a number. So enter, and as we can see here that the code has just jumped to the exception instead of running anything else. So now if I step into, and we will see an error message on the console that the input string was not in correct format, and if we step further the program will end. So now the program has end. Okay, the program has end. Now if I run the program again, this time I'm going to enter a proper number. So let's enter a number. So it says that please enter a number between 1 and 10. At the moment I have set a very low range between 1 and 10 because we don't want the user to enter any higher number, otherwise it would be difficult to guess. So if I put say 12 or any higher number, so let's step further and I have put 12 in here. So this code runs in the loop and it will stay in the loop until the user enters a correct number. So now the code has jumped back to the while statement and the user will get a message that please enter the number between 1 and 10. If I enter 6, it will be accepted. So let's step further, and we have entered 6. So I'm just going to press enter. Enter, and the variable, the is number in range, will set to true. So let's go here, and now the is number is set to true. So the code will exit now and it will go to the next part. So now the while loop is finished and the user 2 now can enter the number. So the same thing would happen if I enter a text in here, but I'm not going to test that at the moment. So let's just put a random number. I'm going to put say 2. If I put 2, the code would go inside the loop and it will perform some check if the number is between 1 and 10. If it's not, then the user will get a message that incorrect guess, please enter the number again. So here the user gets the message. So let's step further, and user gets the another prompt. Again, if I enter the text here, the code will jump out with the exception error message. So this time I'm going to enter 6, press enter, and step further, the code checks is the entered value matches the target number. So now because both the values are same, the code will jump out of the while loop and it will show a message that you have guessed the correct number, well done, and the program ends. Thank you very much.